What's up, guys? Want to see Mr. Penguin? Mr. Penguin is right here. Yeah. Oh, and make sure to put a like, put a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below. This is a tricky one. At my other video, was I put glitter in this blue slime and it made purple. It was red glitter and blue glitter. If I said that, I am so sorry for repeating it again. But you might see my voice a little squeaky and stuff like that. So yeah, just comment down below. What do you think it is? Clay, sand slab, or normal slab? If you're one of my family who made it, you wouldn't know what it is. Yeah. My hands are literally now. Yeah, guys, so just comment down below what do you think it is. And this might be a short video, a long video, I don't know. And Mr. Penguin is very upset because no one watched the videos. He's very upset. I'm gonna change the name into Mr. Penguin and Panda. So because that panda over there is gonna be in this YouTube channel, and it is Mia. Colors and beautiful nails. She's gonna bring mine, Penguin. That is my panda. They look so sweet together. They're a couple. I'm just joking. They're not a couple. They're just friends. And we don't need this one because that's hers. Panda, we don't need it. So yeah, that's all I wanted to ask, guys. Just comment down below what do you think it is. So fluffy though, it's so squishy. So bye, guys. Have a great weekend or night or good morning or whatever in this world. Bye.